to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down.
We're almost there, folks. I am officially 36 and a half weeks pregnant, and the doctor thinks that this baby is not going to wait to her due date, which is January 30th, but she thinks she's going to be born within the next couple of weeks, so it's go time. When I went to the hospital or the doctor's last Wednesday, I still hadn't finished my hospital bag, baby bag or anything, and when she said that, I was like, okay, this is real. I don't know, I feel like with your first few babies, you're so much better prepared, and then by baby number 3, you're way more laid back, which I have been, but now I'm like, okay, I gotta be ready because, you know, I could go into labor at any minute. Actually, the first thing I did is I put on an outfit to be ready to go for whenever I go into labor, if I just go into labor. With Carter, I went into labor naturally. Leia ended up being induced. It really was great. I have nothing bad to say about it. With this baby, I have a feeling I'll probably go into labor naturally, so I want to have everything ready to go. So if I go into labor naturally at home, a little tip, I did put a waterproof mattress pad on the bed just in case. Okay, so I have an outfit ready to go to the hospital. You have to think about what are the things that you're not going to feel like doing or you're going to want to have ready to go so that, you know, if things happen quickly, you can just grab and go. Like, you don't want a bunch of a million things. You're like, oh, I forgot that. I need that. I have really this sweatshirt I'm going to be wearing. I just have it on now for the video, but it's good. It goes with these sweatpants. So I just have a comfy, cozy loungewear outfit. And then in case it's really cold, I have fleece lined leggings, and then I'll just put some tennis shoes, just like an outfit ready to go to the hospital so I can change if I need to quickly. Here is my hospital bag. This bag is so cute. It's so soft, and I got it from my friend. It's from Stella Dot, and it's adorable. But this is everything necessity wise, and what I did is I split this time. I have another bag that's like gonna be snacks and electronics and backup items and maybe like an extra sweater, and then this is gonna be like mostly the things that I'm bringing. So let's dig in so I can show you what I'm bringing. I'm bringing kind of like 2 of everything. I have 2 nightgowns, 2 one going home outfit, 1 backup outfit in case I want to wear that in the hospital. I loved with Leia having gowns rather than having like pants and a t-shirt on. It was just easier when they go to check you after the baby. During labor, I was in the hospital gown. Right after I got showered. It's like such a good feeling to take a shower once you're done laboring. And then I just went and got into like a really comfy, I'm gonna say the word comfy a lot, but this I found from Target. It's a flannel nightgown. It seems really soft, really cozy, and I have this to wear. And then in case, it's hard to know, it's wintertime here, so it's probably gonna be a little cooler, but I get hot and I feel like everyone always keeps the heat way too hot, but the hospital is usually pretty cold. So I have this. One thing that's not in my bag is slippers. They're supposed to be here tomorrow, and then also packing cubes. They like make life so much easier, and I ordered some from Amazon and they're just not here yet. So I'll be putting my things in packing cubes. I feel like that will make it easier too if Mike needs to grab something for me. It'll just not like get everything miscombobulated. So I found this really beautiful robe on pink blush. This is my robe for the hospital. I think it's important as a new mom to get some items for yourself, get some new items. You don't have to, but I do think it makes you feel special to have some like really cute new things to be able to bring to the hospital to have while you have the baby. I have a lot of things in here that are clothes I already had, but then I just got some new items. Just, you know, just feels good. So I think it's important. You've been pregnant for 9 months. Do a little self-care. It'll make you feel good. So this lace line robe, it's gorgeous. It's super soft. And then underneath of it, I'm going to wear this nightgown. And this is just like a spaghetti strap nursing gown for motherhood maternity, and it snaps down right here to nurse the baby. I wore this style with Leia and loved them in the hospital. So I have a flannel long sleeve nightgown, and then I have a sleeveless nightgown with a robe. The next thing is an extra outfit just in case I do want to wear actual like leggings and a tank top. I don't know, you just don't know what your mood will be. So I have leggings, a nursing tank top. So I brought 2 nightgowns, 2 nursing tank tops, and then I also have 2 nursing bras. I don't know if I'll use those, but just in case. So this is another nursing tank top. And then with this outfit, I brought a sweatshirt, an extra sweatshirt. These are from H&M. I can't remember if I said that. This is it's a maternity loungewear outfit. I got it in pink and got it in gray. These stay so nice even when you wash your clothes. Like, I'm very particular. I don't dry my clothes. Like, I like my clothes to stay looking new. And I'm always on the lookout for brands where they last longer. It's worth it to me to invest a little bit more, but these were actually a really good price point and they're nice. And then my going home outfit is extremely basic and extremely comfy. We're just going home. We're not going anywhere special after having the baby, especially with everything going on. So, you know, I brought leggings. These are airy leggings. They are the Chill Play line. My favorite leggings ever. So I have regular leggings, another tank top, nursing top, and then a long sleeve basic cotton t-shirt. This is from H&M. It is maternity, but it's like a smaller fit. So I feel like it'll be comfy also after baby. So that's pretty much it for clothes, other than in my zipper here, inside the bag, I have, they will provide you, there are things in the bag that you won't see, like pads and the granny panties that you usually have to use after birth. I did bring a couple pairs just in case I want them, but these are from Amazon, and the waistband is like a legging, so I've heard that they are, see, nice. But with the waistband, I've heard they're really nice, like leggings where they'll like kind of hold your belly in, which you feel like you need a little extra support, especially after having the baby. So I have a couple pairs of those. I have a couple nursing bras. These are from H&M. They're really, really nice and soft. So I have a couple of pairs of those. And then I have a couple of pairs of socks. And then, like I said, slippers. That's pretty much it for clothes. Some people bring their own pillows, some people bring their own blankets. I don't know, I don't feel like bringing my pillow to the hospital and then bringing it back home from the hospital. I don't know, just, so I'm fine with the pillows they have. I'm usually fine with the blankets, but I might actually bring like one comfy fleece blanket just to like have it, just in case, because they usually just like have sheets and like sometimes a thicker blanket, but not always. So toiletries. Okay, so as soon as you're done having the baby, like the first thing I want to do is take a shower. Again, these things are not like necessities. You don't have to have them to have the baby. You can really keep it super simple, super basic. But with this being the third baby of mine, I've just kind of learned what makes me feel special and a lot better and not as exhausted in the hospital, and that is like taking a shower, taking a few minutes to wash my face, and having a little makeup. So the toiletries that I'm bringing with me, I got this bag off Amazon, first of all. Isn't that super cute? It's really soft quilted. It's really nice, actually. What's nice about this is everything's super organized. What you'll find when you watch videos with me and things I'm looking forward to like showing you guys is I'm actually not a naturally super organized, have my life together person. It doesn't come natural, even though most people think like, wow, you have everything like cleaning your house or so organized. It takes effort and it takes work, but what I have found is when I have less clutter, when I have things organized, when it's like in its own spot, it relieves anxiety for me. Like I get a lot of anxiety when I can't find things or when things are all over the place. So I'm looking forward to showing you some of the things that have helped me in the upcoming videos, just a little sneak peek. But this bag brings me so much joy because everything has its own place, and it's just going to be so much easier when it's in the bathroom to find it. So I'll just walk you through compartment by compartment. So this first one is skincare. This is all my skincare items that I'll need. One thing I didn't bring with Leia that I wanted so badly, that your skin gets really dry, your hands get really dry, your lips get really dry. So lip balm, hand cream, body lotion, you definitely want to have those. So the top compartment is all my skincare. I also brought exfoliator. I know it's like totally random, but it's another thing I noticed. Like my skin was just like flaky after labor, and all I wanted was just like a scrub to do real quick. So I brought that for my face and lip balm. The next one is shampoo. I brought a leave-in conditioner, so it's just easier. I can wash my hair, I get out of the shower, put a few pumps of Restore leave-in, comb it through, have some extra ponytail holders. I have a dry shampoo in case, you know what? I don't have to wash my hair every day. I can usually go a few days. So in case I don't really need to wash my hair, I can wash my body and just do dry shampoo and then body wash. The next compartment is 2 toothbrushes, Tums. I know like is one thing I didn't think about when I was in labor with Leia. I still had really bad heartburn. I don't have heartburn once I have the baby. Like I hardly ever get heartburn, but when I'm pregnant, I get the worst heartburn ever. And I had my mom run to Target by the hospital and get me Tums because my heartburn was so bad. So I have a few Tums, toothpaste, deodorant, and then lastly is my favorite body lotion. I'm actually going to put some on my hands right now. This is from Bath & Body Works, and it's the Stress Relief line, and it has eucalyptus and spearmint, and it's like the best smell, and it literally takes away your stress. So I'll probably be having Mike put this on my feet while in labor. I'll put it on my hands while in labor, but that's it for that. Okay. Toiletries, all done. This I like to put in my bag first when I'm packing because it just makes it easier to just kind of pack stuff around it. So I'm just going to put it directly right back into my bag. And then makeup. Okay, let me get a little closer. So again, not a necessity. You don't have to wear makeup after having the baby or while in labor or anything like that. But if you're taking pictures and I don't know, again, you just like something, just take a few minutes and you feel a little more put together. It feels really good after the baby just to like take a few minutes to do your makeup, do your hair. So I brought my favorite items. I have so much makeup. If you don't know me, I am obsessed with, I love makeup. I love hair care. I love body care, skincare. Like I'm all things girly. But these are actually some of my basic items, my favorite basics. They're quick and easy. And this is pretty much what I used after I had Leia too. So this is a compact. It has eyeshadow and blush. Really pretty colors too. So blush, eyeshadow. I have a blush brush, a powder brush. I brought powder, bronzer. You feel a little more like you've, you know, been to the beach after having a baby. I have a tinted lip balm, super moisturizing. I have concealer because we all know you're gonna have some dark circles going on. So concealer. And then these two items are my favorite. It is a regular foundation and a sunscreen sun veil moisturizer. I mix equal amounts of both, smooth it all over my skin, and it gives you the most beautiful complexion. It's really natural, it's really easy. You don't have to use a brush or anything, you just apply it with your fingertips. I also have tweezers, mascara, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, and then a couple eyeshadow brushes. I am bringing my camera. I'm bringing my camera bag with my camera. Make sure if you are gonna do videoing or anything like that, empty SD cards, backup batteries charged, tripod if you need it, things like that. I know our cameras on our phones are so good now, so you know, you can always video then. One of my things with Leia that I wish I had more of, and I know you're like caught up in the moment, you just had a baby, like the last thing you wanna do is the videoing the whole time, but I do wish I had more pictures of her, more videos of her. So this time I wanna make sure I have my camera, my phone, a backup charger. Like I want to capture those moments. I'm not going to video the whole birth or anything, but I do want to make a vlog style birthing vlog to show just kind of leading up to it after we have her and stuff like that. So the most important bag of all is the snack bag. Now I'm going to make a separate video that is going to be what's in the baby's bag, and I got a really cute bag from Itsy Bitsy, so I'm excited to show you guys that, and I have it all packed and ready to go, so I'm just gonna make a separate video just so that this one doesn't get super long, and that will be specifically what I'm packing in my bag for a newborn. But this is the snack bag. In this bag I'm going to put extra electronics, so I'm gonna have last time what was really cool and really nice to have is, you know, sometimes your labor's really long, sometimes it's really fast, sometimes you get an epidural right away, sometimes you don't do an epidural, but after I had the baby, we had a laptop with us and we were able to watch a movie, and that was so nice because it's like there's not always a lot to do in the hospital room. You can like be on your phone or clearly really busy with the baby, but the baby also sleeps a lot. They nurse and then they sleep for like a couple hours. So we watched a movie. It was just like really nice to have the laptop. Make sure you have a laptop charger, a phone charger. And the thing that's nice about where our hospital is if I do forget anything, Target is like less than 3 minutes from there, so Mike can always run to Target or run somewhere. He can come and go, which is nice. I can have one person with me, which will be him, and he can leave and come back, which is a blessing. So he'll be able to run out and get food if we need it. I don't know what the situation is with like the cafeteria right now and stuff like that, so snacks are essential. Make sure you have a good water bottle. They gave me a water bottle last time. I'm not sure if they will this time or not. I don't have mine right in front of me, but I love lemon water, so I might try and bring some lemons and, you know, have lemon water. So for my snacks, goldfish, because, you know, have to. Pretzels. I have granola. I love granola. And then this bag is like all things snack bars, granola bars. I have fig bars. I have mini granola bars. I have RX bars. And then these are protein bars by Beachbody. They're great for like a snack replacement. So all the snacks. And again, if I want anything else, Mike can always run and get it. So this is our snack bag. I'll probably, I mean, they can bring you water and stuff like that. I was gonna say I might bring a few extra water bottles in here just in case. We'll see. And then I just put an extra cardigan. So if I get cold and I have like a tank top on or something, it's easy to just throw a cardigan on and you can still nurse the baby easily and stuff like that. So that is my snack bag. And then regular bag, I think we went through everything. If there's anything I forgot or anything that you suggest that you found really helpful in the hospital, please comment below. I love getting ideas from other people. I love hearing from other people, and I hope that you found this helpful. I know, like I said, I love watching videos like this. It's always fun to see what people pack, what people bring. and their bags and how they organize it. I don't know, I'm kind of a nerd for all that kind of stuff. So anyway, don't forget to hit subscribe because like I said, I have new videos coming out. My goal right now is to be uploading at least once a week with the baby and everything. It might be like twice a month, but we will see. I'm just gonna do what I can, but I have upcoming ones. My next one I'm gonna make, our bassinet just arrived today. So tomorrow or the next day, I'm gonna film kind of like a 3rd trimester getting ready for baby checklist. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Next time, maybe the video you'll see next is most likely the checklist, but in the next few weeks, we'll be seeing the baby. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time